Hey everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Hope you're all safe and enjoying the fall weather, fall season. So, yeah, today I'm planning to do another fall inspired project, and this is actually a project that I saw in a Kirkland website, and I saw they had like a nice wagon out of the pumpkin. So I was thinking of recreating that Kirkland pumpkin wagon using Dollar Tree items, and this is one of the wooden pumpkin that I got from Dollar Tree, and I showed this in one of the recent hauls that I made. And I'm going to have like wooden wheels on the bottom using one of the diffuser caps. These are wooden too. I got 4 of them, and these are all the top of the bottle, like something like this. So I'm going to use this also as a part of the project, and I'm also going to use dowels, and these are the items that I'm going to need for this pumpkin wagon. And the other project that I'm planning to do is a Farmhouse Galvanized Milk Can, and I'm going to use from all the cans that I have in the house. Basically, it's a project of trash to treasure. So this is one of the coconut water container. So, and this is one of the smoothie bottle, and this is like my agave syrup bottle. So I'm going to use this plastic and tin and convert this into a galvanized milk can. And the other items would be this is one of the harvest blessing sign that I'm going to use, and these are all some of the ribbons that goes for the decor, and this is jute twine, and these are the condiment cups that I'm going to use for the milk can. And I need some paint, so I'm going to use chalk paint black and acrylic white, and this is a glue gun I need to remove all the glue strings around the bottles, and some of the pumpkin picks. So basically all the items that I'm using in this project are from Dollar Tree, and I also need some of the glue sticks, glue gun, scissor, and also my protector for my fingers. So yeah, these are the things I'm going to use, and I'm going to go and do an initial preparation, and I'll be back. welcome back, you guys. These are all the projects that I was planning to do in this video. So let me start with my wagon. So this is the wooden pumpkin from Dollar Tree, and I gave the wheels from diffuser caps, and these are some of the plastic caps. And this is the wooden dowels that I cut into half, and then I stuck it with all black painted. And I also used two of the toothpicks, and I cut it into 4 small pieces, and I stuck as the spokes of the wheel, you can see. So yeah, I wanted to give like a wagon look from Kirkland inspired website. So I also stuffed the center with some of this styrofoam, and I had some fall decorative fillers, and I had nice ribbon, fall inspired nice ribbon stuck to it. Yeah, so I'm very happy how it turned out. Let me know your thoughts on this. And the next project is the wooden truck. This I got from Dollar Tree, and I painted red just to give the fall theme to it. And I stuck 2 sunflowers on the wheels, and stuffed the back of the truck with some of the raffia, orange pumpkin, shiny pumpkin, fall leaves, and some, all the fall decorative fillings. So I just stuffed it in the back, and I also created a small tassel with the sunflower ribbon and some raffia just to give a tassel look to it. I kind of like this. So yeah, let me know your thoughts about this. I thoroughly enjoyed it. This is one of my favorites. And the next project is the galvanized milk can, and this is actually a smoothie bottle. On top of it is the condiment cup, and I stuck it together, and then I circled the jute twine around the brim of the bottle, and then I stuck the Chenille stem with the aluminum foil and as the handles, and I filled the top of the bottle, top of the can with the raffia and some of the fall decor fillers. So yeah, pumpkin and some small pine cone with some red leaves and foam balls. So yeah, this is one of the galvanized milk can from my smoothie bottle. So this is a trash to treasure. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this too. And the other one is a smaller agave bottle. So I turned this into a galvanized milk can again, and I also jute twine on the top. And I stuck 2 of the hydrangeas, green color, and 1 of the orange pumpkin pick. And yeah, I'm going to decorate just like this. So I'm very happy with this too. Let me know your thoughts. And next one is the coconut water bottle, and then I converted this into a galvanized milk can. I painted gray, and I stuck 2 of the condiment cups on top of the bottle, and then I just stuck 2 of the Chenille and with aluminum foil as the handles again, and then I jute twined 3 places on the top of the bottle, and I stuffed with raffia, some of the cotton flower, and then orange pumpkin pick and glittery pumpkin pick, and some of the fall leaves. Yeah, fall decorative fillers. And I wrote using Farm Fresh, using one of the paint pen that I got from Michael's, and this was on sale sometimes back. So you can either use that, or you can use stencil it out from Dollar Tree stencils. So I thought like I can do a free handwriting, so I did this. So yeah, I wrote Farm Fresh with small flower on the bottom. So yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out. Yeah, let me know your thoughts on this as well. And the last one is the Harvest Blessing sign, and I used 2 of the Dollar Tree ribbons, the fall ribbons, the green and the brown, and I made 2 bows on top of each other, and I stuck 1 of the glittery pumpkin on top, and I used 1 of the you know, Dollar Tree bouquet, fall bouquet on top of it. So I'm just going to decorate just like this. And this worked out so well. So I thoroughly enjoyed working on all of these projects in this video, guys. So let me know your thoughts on which one is your favorite, and you have any suggestions that you want to give me in your comment section. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.